Hello my fellow Korean skincare lovers, it's Britta here and welcome back to KOJA Beauty for another skincare review. Today I will be talking about the Gilla8 Tea Tree Cica Extra Calming Facial Toner. Gilla8 is a new Korean skincare brand that is cruelty-free and vegan, and I had the great pleasure of trying out their skincare range for the past couple of months. And one of my favorite products has been their Tea Tree Cica Toner. This toner is formulated for sensitive and breakout prone skin, and it's supposed to control sebum, remove impurities, clear pores and reduce inflammation. To be honest, my skin has been breaking out a little bit more often than usual recently, and I think it's because I've been wearing a mask whenever I go out. So this was the perfect opportunity for me to try out this toner and see how well it works on my skin. First of all, I love the simple packaging. I love the clear bottle where you can actually see the tea tree leaves inside. And this toner has a super lightweight, watery type consistency, and it's instantly refreshing and soothing. You can either use it with a cotton pad or use your hands and then pat it on your face. And it absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any residue or stickiness behind. Now let's have a look at the ingredients and see what this toner has to offer. One of the top ingredients is tea tree leaf water, and it's a popular skincare ingredient to fight breakouts because it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and it also helps to reduce redness. This toner also contains tea tree leaf oil and tea tree leaf powder, and you'll also find Centella Asiatica, which is a wonderful ingredient that restores and soothes the skin. You'll also find some moisturizing agents like glycerin and butylene glycol and sodium hyaluronate. Overall, the ingredients list is quite short and simple, which I like, and there are no artificial fragrances, alcohol, silicons or parabens, and I like that the ingredients have been well thought out with sensitive skin in mind. The only ingredients that might be slightly irritating is the tea tree leaf oil, which is fine for most people though, but for a small minority it might cause some sensitivity. As far as the results of this toner is concerned, I did notice a difference. It did help to calm my skin, and I also had fewer breakouts. Gilla8 is still a new brand, but let me know what you think about this toner. Would you give it a try or would you pass? Tell me in the comments down below because I would love to hear your thoughts. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to join our K-Beauty family, and I'll see you next time. Bye!